Hi, I'm Karen. I'm a LASIO Pro, and I'm here to help you with your hair routine for smooth, silky, frizz-free hair. Let's go. First, you want to start with a Replenishing Shampoo and Conditioner. This will cleanse and nourish your hair, setting the foundation for healthy strands. Once a week, use a Revitalizing Mask. Apply and leave in for 10 minutes to deeply hydrate and strengthen your hair. Follow with a smoothing balm on damp hair. This helps control frizz and provides heat protection before styling is desired. Last, with a few drops of serum on your ends, this locks in moisture, keeps frizz away, and helps tame flyaways. And if you stick to this routine, your hair will feel more manageable, healthier, and smoother. Follow us for more hair tips.